Experiencing issues with Ultramobile international roaming? Start by ensuring international roaming is enabled in your device settings. Verify your APN settings are correctly configured with these details. Outdated firmware can cause problems. Update your Ultramobile app to the latest version. Restart your device after making changes. Check that your phone's bands are compatible with the local networks. Prioritize LTE bands like B2, B4, and B12 for global compatibility. If you're still having problems, lock to compatible bands via hidden menus. If connection is unstable, prefer LTE 3G over 5G and disable Wi-Fi calling. Ultramobile's international data plans start at $10 per day for 500 megabytes in most countries. Be aware of data limits and monitor your usage via the Ultramobile app to avoid overages. In 2025, the FCC investigated bill shock cases, leading Ultramobile to introduce real-time usage alerts. SMS rates can spike to 50 cents per message in non-partner networks. Understand pay-as-you-go versus add-on plans. Rates vary by country. $15 day in Canada versus $50 day in Australia. Consider Roam like home deals in Mexico and Canada. Contact Ultramobile support for assistance.